Alright, so I got the Lupine SL AX. Apparently this is the box it comes in. Got 31.8mm mount for it. It's an official Lupine product. Also got the extension cable because I plan to put this in my Velomobile. So it's 120 centimeters. It's about 4 feet. And I got the GoPro mount. Hopefully that will mount to the stock light mount inside my Velomobile. If not, I can always put it on the GoPro mount temporarily. But see if I can unbox this. It's still sealed, so seems like it's magnetic. It's a magnetic clip on the front of the box that keeps it closed. So no glue, just magnetic. That's something cool. Open it up. There's the light itself. There's a switch. Manual. Looks like maybe a sticker. Another guy, the person who packed the order. So this is the light switch. It supposedly takes a CR2032 battery. See, that goes directly to the handlebars. We got the light itself. And under here, I believe we got the mount. So I got the quick release mount included with it. 31.8mm. Here's some straps. Probably for the battery and the light switch. There's the stickers. Let's go put those up there for now. I assume this is the battery. I ordered the 10 amp hour Lupine battery. I don't know if these come with a charge on it, but it comes full charged. Now, supposedly there's supposed to be a way to double tap this, where you got press and hold, and it's supposed to go into like a taillight mode. I don't know, I'd have to read the manual on that, but this is a 10 amp hour battery. It goes to the light. And this is probably, let's take a look. What's this? That's probably a charger. And it does have the US plug on it. I was kind of worried when I ordered this whether or not this would have the US plug. I mean, it's coming from the US distributor, so I was hoping that it would come with the US plug. Let's get the light out. Not really sure how they have this boxed in here. I'm trying not to rip any of the boxes as I open this stuff. Oh, there's a little tab on the top. Maybe? No. Maybe I just pull it straight out. No, it's in there. I guess I just pulled it straight out the front. And that's, yep, just pull straight out the front. I guess I'll get this connected and see if they included the CR2032 battery. Now this you're supposed to be able to connect to the app. I've never had a Lupine light before. This is going to be my first one. But you can see it's kind of a special connector there. Yeah, that's how it goes. I'm going to need 2 hands for this. Okay, as soon as I plugged it in, it came straight on. Let's see if I can control it with the light switch yet. Yep. Okay, there's a, with the daylight running lights. That's just the low beam, high beam. I gotta adjust sensitivity on that. I guess you press and hold to turn it off. You just tap it to turn it on. Yeah. It's supposed to have an auto sensing daytime running light. Okay, so the small button here is what controls the high and low beam. So it's high beam, low beam. This, I guess, changes the modes. I wonder how to. Okay, so this one activates the side lights. So you press and hold this button, what that does. Okay, that puts it in daytime running lamps. So what it does, it turns down the middle intensity. And it only turns on the side lights. Can't really see it too well, but there you go. It basically turns on the side lights and puts the very middle light on very low. That's how that works. On. Yeah, that's basically the functions of that.